So hello everyone, welcome back to DRX Ayush Chauhan. This will be part 2 of 100% selection in pharma interview series. So question number 31, what is HVAC? That is HVAC. So it stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning system that we see in the pharmaceutical industry. Question number 32, components of HVAC. AHU filter, that is air humidifier unit filter, coiling coil, heating coil, blower, mixing chamber, and your dampers. Functions of HVAC. It is used to control temperature and RH, and it is used to create pressure differential pressure and to prevent cross contamination. Next is what is HEPA filter? Another important question. It stands for high efficiency particulate air filters, also known as HEPA. HEPA filters are classified as H13 and H14. It is used in pharmaceutical clean rooms to remove particles of 0.3 microns and larger. It has an efficiency of 99.97%. आपको एक तो इसकी फुल फॉर्म बताना चाहिए और इसकी क्लासिफिकेशन H13 एंड 14 पता होना चाहिए और कहाँ यूज होते हैं ये पता होना चाहिए, कितने साइज का पार्टिकल के लिए है वो बताना चाहिए और एफिशिएंसी क्या है ये बताना चाहिए. Next is what is ULPA filter. ULPA filter stands for ultra low particulate air filter having a 0.12 micron pore size. It is classified as H15 and H16. ये भी important question है आपका. Next is question number 36. What is ACPH? It stands for air changes per hour. The number of air currents that passes through a clean room in 1 hour is known as air changes per hour. Next question is what is capsule? कुछ capsules के question है. Capsules are solid unit dosage forms where drug substances are filled in soft or hard gelatin cell, usually made of gelatin. Next is types of capsule. So there are two types of capsules: hard gelatin capsule cell and soft gelatin capsule cell. Next is types of gelatin: type A gelatin and type A gelatin and type B gelatin. These are two types of gelatin. The type of gelatin which is obtained by acid treatment precursor is known as type A gelatin, and the type B is form of alkali treated precursor. Question number 40. Which method is used for preparation of soft gelatin capsule? Plate process and rotatory die process is used for preparation of soft gelatin capsule. Next is 41 question number. Moisture content of hard gelatin capsule. ये काफी important question है. Usually 12 to 15%. Below 10% capsule cells become brittle, and above 16% capsule cells result in filling problems like denting, pinhole problem. ये आपकी होगी ना, सब result करते हैं. Storage condition for empty hard gelatin capsule. It should be stored in 30 to 45 RH. Normally हमारा जर्नल का होता है, इसका जर्नल RH में स्टोर करते हैं इनको. क्वेश्चन नंबर 43, काफी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये. व्हाट आर कैप्सूल साइजेस? सो देयर आर 7 कैप्सूल साइजेस: 000, 000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 44, लार्जेस्ट कैप्सूल साइज. ये आपको कई बार पूछा जाता है. सो इट इज 000 एंड स्मॉलेस्ट कैप्सूल साइज इज 5. So advantages of capsule are: it is easy to swallow, elegant dosage form, the taste is masked due to the capsule cell, right? Question number 47. What are the alternatives of gelatin for the cells production? HPMC capsules आपका पॉलीमर हो गया, ये स्टार्च कैप्सूल्स हो गया, क्रॉस लिंक टेक्सटन हो गया आपका, ये आपके कुछ अल्टरनेटिव्स हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 48. एक्सिपेंट्स यूज फॉर लिक्विड डोजेज फॉर्म. सॉल्वेंट, प्रिजर्वेटिव्स, स्वीटनेस इनहेंसर हो गया आपका, विस्कोसिटी कंट्रोलर हो गया, बफर्स हो गया, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट हो गया एंड फ्लेवर्स हो गया. इन सब के एग्जांपल्स आपको मस्ट पता होने चाहिए. So next question is 49. What is a suspension? So a suspension is a heterogeneous mixture having two phase, disperse phase and continuous phase, and it is composed of a liquid or semi-solid. Next is what is continuous phase in suspension. It is also known as external phase. It is composed of a liquid or semi-solid. Next is question number 51. What is a dispersed phase in a suspension? The dispersed phase is the internal phase and contains particular matters which are insoluble but disappears in the continuous phase. Disappears बोलते हैं basically. वो कंप्लीटली डिसअपेयर नहीं होते. आपके फिर दो टाइप के सस्पेंशन होंगे, फ्लॉक्यूलेटेड एंड डीफ्लॉक्यूलेटेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 52. दैट इज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सस्पेंशन. ओरल सस्पेंशन, टॉपिकल सस्पेंशन, पेरेंटल सस्पेंशन. Next is 53 components of suspension. Wetting agents, flocculating agents, deflocculating agents, suspending agents, protective colloids. आपके बेसिक मेरे ख्याल से 3 सस्पेंशन होते हैं अब. That is flocculated, deflocculated and colloidal suspension हो गया आपका. Next is question number 54. What is a tablet? Basically mostly asked question आपका रहेगा. What is a tablet? So tablet is a solid unit dosage form. Next is question number 55. What is excipients? These are inert materials which have no pharmacological effect and are used to provide a specific property to the dosage form. Next is excipients used for tablet manufacturing. काफी important question. Diluents, binders, disintegrants, lubricating agents, glidants, colorants, flavors, preservatives, film former, opacifier, plasticizers. काफी important question. आप सबको सबके एग्जाम्पल आपको पता होने चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट आर डाइल्यूएंट्स, और ये पता होना चाहिए क्या क्या होता है ना. व्हाट आर डाइल्यूएंट्स? डाइल्यूएंट्स आर यूज्ड टू मेक अप द फाइनल वॉल्यूम. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 58. Examples of diluents: lactose, starch, mannitol, dextrose. Next is what are fillers? So diluents are also known as filler और इनको bulking agents भी बोलते हैं. Next is what are binders? Binders are the excipients which are added to give bounding to the powder to form granules. Basically ये binding का काम करते हैं. Part 3 will come soon, guys. So I hope you like these questions videos, and this is the 100% सिलेक्शन सीरीज फार्मा इंटरव्यू सीरीज वीडियो, और इसमें लगभग 10 पार्ट रहेंगे. और आई होप आप सब इन सब वीडियोस को एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे, आप सबकी हेल्प कर रहे होंगे. सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग, एंड गाइस प्लीज सपोर्ट मी बाय सब्सक्राइबिंग दिस चैनल. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.